The Waterfall, a luxury lifestyle, from Bodrum Kakis. At the westernmost tip of Bodrum, you can find the charming Fisherman's Cove and seaside village of Gümüşlük. It retains a relaxed and a magical atmosphere. It is the perfect medicine for modern-day living. The airport is only 35 minutes away. And if you wish to visit the nearby cities, Yalıkavak would be 15 minutes away, Çukurtres would take you 10 minutes. And the famous Bodrum Center would take you 25 minutes. In the heart of this beautiful city, we carefully selected the perfect location. The project is located 2 minutes away from the amenities area, where you find a supermarket, a bakery, a bus stop, ATM machines, and a car rental store. Being just 700 meters away from the charming public beaches, it would take you 5 minutes to reach them. And it would take you 7 minutes to get to the famous fishermen's restaurants and the stunning Rabbit Island. Now, let's take a tour inside the project. The Waterfall is a luxury project with a private facilities area. Each unit in this project has an unblockable view. And each unit also has a private terrace. This delicately designed project has 10 duplexes, 10 simplexes, a cafeteria, infinity pool, and a kids pool, and an underground parking. Zooming even closer inside the unit, you would find that the space is designed in such a way that gives maximum comfort for the inhabitant. Each unit has a duplex and a simplex. The duplexes, with a 170-meter squared area, and a range of 100 to 200-meter squared terrace, has a salon on the lower part of the duplex, an open kitchen, a guest powder room, a guest room with its own bathroom, and a spacious private terrace. Taking the stairs to the second part of the duplex, you will find the remaining rooms, each having their own bathroom. There are 2 master bedrooms overlooking the sea, a third bedroom, a bathroom, 2 balconies, and another small terrace. Moving on to the simplex, which is on top of the duplex, it also have its own private entrance, 100-meter squared area, and a 20-meter squared terrace. Each simplex has a salon, an open kitchen, a bathroom, a master bedroom, a second bedroom, a balcony for each room, and a private terrace. Now, allow us to take you on a tour inside the unit, and show you its breathtaking views.